Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we've got this very economical Fiat 500 featuring the 0.9 litre petrol engine. It's got an automatic gearbox, and in today's video I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So this car gives you a fuel economy of 72 miles to the gallon. It has 85 brake horsepower, and it is an insurance group 10U. Tax is also just £20 for the year. So this car has covered just 54,700 miles, and it was first registered in March 2013. So we're just going to take a walk around and note any damage that we find. And we'll start off on the front bumper down here. We've got some scratchings down there, and we've got some sort of pitting just there. On the bonnet, we have got some discoloration there. Probably just make that out in the camera there, and we also have a scratch just there. The windscreen all looking quite good. On this front quarter, got a couple of marks there. The wheel, it's got a bit of curbing just there. Moving down the driver's door here, all looking pretty good. There's a little bit of stone chips down there. Other than that, all looking good. This rear wheel, nice and tidy. We have got some scratches just there on the wheel arch. Moving around onto the rear bumper, we've got a little bit of denting on the chrome trim there, and on the rear quarter here, we've got a dent there and some scratching there. As you can see, just zoom out so you can have a look. On the boot, it's all looking very tidy. Doesn't seem to be any marks on it. Same with the rear glass there. Now we'll move around to the passenger rear quarter. We've got a little bit of minor scratching there on the wheel arch, but everything else here looks good. I'll just show you that wheel, a bit of curbing just there. Now moving around to the passenger door, just take a closer look. Can't see anything that really stands out there. Keep moving around. Finally, this front passenger quarter. On this wheel, we do have some corrosion. Just there, a little bit of corrosion. We've got a couple of little minor scratches there. Little scratch there. And that seems to be about it. So now we'll have a look inside. So we'll just open up the boot here. It's quite spacious for such a small car. And under here, you do have a spare wheel. So just taking a look here at the lovely dashboard of this Fiat. It's all looking very tidy there. And to get to the back seats, just pull that little lever there and you can get in the back. The seats themselves all look very tidy. There doesn't seem to be any rips or damage to them. I'll just show you the front seat there and the passenger seat. There we go. On the door here, you've got your mirror controls. There's your steering wheel with some stereo mounted controls. There's your media player. Climate controls are there. Automatic gear stick. And then down here, you've got USB and you've got your handbrake. So what we'll do is we'll just start the engine up. I've got my foot on the brake. Car is in neutral. We'll just take a look at the dash there. As you can see, it's all running smoothly with no warning lights on the dash. So this car will come with a fresh MOT, service and a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, which you can upgrade to 12-month if you wish. So this car has had previous services in 2019, 2020, 2023, 2025, and again it'll be serviced by us ahead of delivery. We do also offer finance and delivery, but I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. So thank you for watching.